this type of information that I'm gonna share can restore your relationships, your family, your romantic relationships. It can take us on a pathway to get to that point. Broken relationships, or broken trust rather. Broken trust has to be earned and worked for over time. It doesn't just happen. So you're watching this type, excuse me, it doesn't just happen. It does not. And that's a misconception. That's a misconception that whether it's in a family context or a romantic relationship context, that if one party experiences hurt in a relationship or experience hurt at the hands of the other party, that that relationship is just going to magically, automatically be restored. Hashtag not so. If you're watching this, type not so. That's not reality. That is what we call, excuse me, fantasy. It's a it's a fanatical thought. A fanatical thought is a thought associated with fantasy. Excuse me. Sinuses again. I need to press through this to get y'all this stuff. It's a fanatical thought, a thought associated with fantasy, to think that if myself, Mr. Cage, in a romantic context, hurt my woman, whether I intentionally or intentionally did it, to think that if it resulted in a breakup, that I could creep back in on my time slot and think that that lady is going to receive me with open arms. That's movie stuff. That's movie stuff. That's movie stuff. That's stuff that stirs up our emotions. That's fantasy. That stuff sell tickets. That type of stuff sell tickets. Tickets in the literal sense, and tickets in terms of our attention span. We buy into that because everybody, if we be honest and transparent, like honest past what we are comfortable being honest with, we'll say that everybody wants a companion. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants to be in some type of relationship. At times, is where they are in their mindset in terms of age, or their interpretation or perception of an experience that they had in the past.